Be ready, start. In recent years, a new scheme has been put into use to help people to do their shopping without using any money. This scheme is organized by some of the banks and is called buying a credit card. It is possible for anyone to apply for a card and there is no need to have an account with a particular bank. If the person who applies in the opinion of the bank is in a position to have credit, then a card is issued to him and he will be given a note of the sum of money which he will be allowed to owe. Anyone who holds a card may use it to buy goods or services up to the figure that has been stated from any of the retailers who show the badge of the bank which has issued the card. At the end of each month, the account has to be settled with the bank. The retailers who wish to show the badge have to pay a fee of 10 rupees to join, and on each purchase which is made by a customer who holds a card, he pays a small service charge. The bank then settles up all the accounts with him. Para. This system has advantages both for the customer and for the retailer. The customer can have goods to a set amount on credit. Also, he can use a small card to pay bills in a variety of places such as shops, hotels and plane without having to carry large sums of money with him. From the point of view of the retailer, the bank or organization which issued the credit card gives a guarantee that payment will be made, and this reduces his bad debits. He can also reduce the amount of working capital required for the businesses, and his turnover may be increased because he offers his services. Those who have credit schemes can make their profit from the service charges. Para. It has been said that those who use the credit cards may find that price rise as service charge will be passed on the addition. There will always be the temptation to run up accounts that are larger than they would be if payment were made in cash. In spite of these things, it seems likely that the use of credit cards will be increased in the next few years to come. Stop.